Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 22 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss out on your learning in the previous video. We got started using Pandas. We installed the library, and we imported it to read a CSV file. And then, we used that file to get hold of a column, which has been automatically identified as soon as it read this data CSV. Today our focus is data frames, the essential building blocks of data manipulation and exploration. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets of these data powerhouses. Different types of data frames. There are two types of data structure, series and data frame. Series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of holding any data type: integers, strings, floating point numbers, Python objects, etc. The axis labels are collectively referred to as the index. The basic method to create a series is to call S equals PD series data, index equals index. Data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. You can think of it like a spreadsheet or SQL table or a dict of series objects. It is generally the most commonly used Pandas object. Let's see with the practical example for both the cases. Example of series data, creating a simple series data. Import Pandas as PD. Ages equals PD series 22, 35, 58, name equals age. Print ages. Let's break down the code step by step. Import Pandas as PD. This line imports the Pandas library and gives it a shorter alias, PD, for easier use. Ages equals PD series 22, 35, 58, name equals age. This line defines a series called ages. It takes three values, 22, 35, and 58, and assigns a label age to them. Print ages. This line simply prints the series to the console, showing the data and its label. Example of data frames, creating a data frame. This code creates a data frame called students using a dictionary. Think of this dictionary as a table where each key is a column name and each value is a list of data points for that column. Here's what each part of the code does. Import Pandas as PD, same as before, imports the Pandas library. Data equals, this defines a dictionary with four keys, name, age, math grade, and science grade. Each key represents a column in the data frame. Students equals PD data frame data, this line converts the dictionary into a data frame called students. Print students, this line prints the data frame, showing the data in a table format with rows and columns. Below is the output. This data frame provides a more organized and efficient way to store and manage data compared to individual series. You can easily access specific information, filter data based on conditions, and perform various calculations on the data within the data frame. By now, you should have a solid understanding of data frames, the driving force behind data analysis in Python. Remember, exploring different types, practicing with real datasets, and mastering their functionalities will unlock their full potential. Go forth, unleash your data exploration skills, and conquer the world of data with the power of Pandas data frames.